Many people experience the stress of running short on funds before their next paycheck arrives. Apps like Brigit and Dave offer solutions in the form of cash advances, providing a financial cushion to cover unexpected expenses or bridge the gap until payday. These apps have gained popularity by presenting themselves as alternatives to traditional payday loans, which often come with high interest rates and fees. This video dives into a detailed comparison of Brigit and Dave, exploring their features, costs, and user experiences to help viewers make an informed decision. The goal of this video is to provide a clear and unbiased review of Brigit and Dave. By examining the key differences and similarities between the two platforms, viewers can assess which app best aligns with their individual financial needs and circumstances. We will cover crucial aspects such as borrowing limits, membership fees, repayment terms, and additional features like budgeting tools and credit monitoring. Whether you're looking for a simple cash advance or a more comprehensive financial wellness solution, this video will equip you with the knowledge to choose wisely. Ultimately, choosing the right cash advance app can significantly impact your financial well-being. It's essential to consider not only the immediate need for funds, but also the long-term costs and benefits associated with each platform. This video encourages viewers to think critically about their spending habits, financial goals, and the potential impact of using cash advance apps. By providing a balanced perspective and highlighting both the advantages and disadvantages of Brigit and Dave, we aim to empower viewers to make responsible financial decisions. Dave offers cash advances up to $500, but most users initially receive smaller amounts, typically around $100. To access these advances, you'll need a Dave Extra Cash account, which functions like a mini bank account. Dave aims to provide a safety net to avoid overdraft fees and cover expenses until your next paycheck. Repayment with Dave is automatic. The borrowed amount is debited from your bank account on your next payday. This automated system ensures timely repayment, but requires careful budgeting to avoid insufficient funds. Dave also provides tools to help users track their spending and identify potential savings opportunities, but its primary focus remains on providing short-term cash advances. Dave charges a monthly membership fee of $11. While this fee is relatively low, instant transfers incur additional charges ranging from $1.99 to $13.99. These fees can add up quickly if you frequently need immediate access to your borrowed funds, making Dave a potentially more expensive option than it initially appears. Brigit provides cash advances up to $250 with no interest or credit checks. This can be an appealing option for those who need a small amount of cash quickly and want to avoid the scrutiny of a traditional loan application. Brigit emphasizes flexibility, allowing users to delay one repayment for every 2 advances they take. Beyond cash advances, Brigit offers a suite of budgeting tools, credit building features, and even identity theft protection. These additional resources aim to promote overall financial wellness and empower users to manage their money more effectively. Brigit distinguishes itself by offering a more holistic approach to financial health compared to Dave's primarily cash advance-focused service. Brigit's comprehensive features come at a cost of $9.99 per month. While this is significantly higher than Dave's monthly fee, Brigit does not charge extra fees for instant transfers. If you value budgeting tools, credit monitoring, and identity theft protection, Brigit's subscription may be worth the investment. Both Dave and Brigit are legitimate financial apps trusted by millions of users. They employ bank-level encryption to safeguard user data and adhere to U.S. regulations for financial apps. This commitment to security and compliance provides users with peace of mind knowing their financial information is protected. It's important to remember that while these apps are safe, responsible usage is crucial. Over-reliance on cash advances can lead to a cycle of debt, so it's essential to use these tools judiciously and prioritize building healthy financial habits. Before using any financial app, carefully read the terms and conditions to fully understand the fees, repayment terms, and potential risks involved. Always be cautious of any app that requests excessive personal information or makes unrealistic promises. Dave and Brigit have established reputations for transparency and ethical practices, but it's always wise to exercise due diligence and protect your financial well-being. By taking these precautions, you can safely utilize cash advance apps to manage short-term financial needs. Dave users often praise its low monthly fee and ease of use. The simple interface and quick access to funds make it a convenient option for those seeking short-term financial relief. However, some users express frustration with the additional fees for instant transfers, which can significantly increase the overall cost of borrowing. Brigit users appreciate the app's budgeting tools and comprehensive financial wellness features. The ability to track spending, build credit, and protect against identity theft provides added value beyond just cash advances. However, some users find the $9.99 monthly fee to be relatively high, especially if they only need occasional access to cash advances. Ultimately, user reviews highlight the importance of aligning your choice with your individual needs and priorities. If you prioritize affordability and ease of use, Dave may be a better fit. If you value budgeting tools and financial wellness features, Brigit may be worth the higher monthly fee. Dave charges a monthly membership fee of $1, making it appear to be the cheaper option initially. However, users must pay additional fees ranging from $1.99 to $13.99 for instant transfers. These fees can quickly add up if you frequently need immediate access to your cash advance. Brigit has a higher monthly fee of $9.99, but does not charge any additional fees for instant transfers. This can make Brigit a more cost-effective option for users who frequently need quick access to their funds. It's important to consider your usage patterns and calculate the potential costs based on your individual needs. When comparing the fees and charges of Dave and Brigit, it's essential to look beyond the monthly membership fee. Factor in the cost of instant transfers, potential late fees, and any other charges associated with each app. By carefully analyzing the total cost of borrowing, you can make an informed decision and choose the app that offers the best value for your money. Both Dave and Brigit require users to have a bank account with a consistent history of income deposits. This ensures that users have a reliable source of funds to repay their advances. Additionally, both apps typically require at least 60 days of bank account history to assess eligibility. Eligibility criteria may vary depending on individual circumstances and the specific policies of each app. Factors such as credit score, income level, and banking history can all play a role in determining whether you qualify for a cash advance. It's important to check the specific eligibility requirements of each app before applying. Keep in mind that even if you meet the basic eligibility requirements, approval is not guaranteed. Dave and Brigit reserve the right to deny applications based on their internal risk assessment criteria. If you are denied, you may want to consider alternative options such as Earnin or Chime SpotMe. Earnin allows you to borrow based on hours you've already worked and doesn't charge mandatory fees. Instead, Earnin encourages users to tip what they think is fair for the service. Chime SpotMe offers overdraft protection up to $200 for Chime users. Cash App offers a simple and user-friendly way to borrow money through its Cash App Loans feature. The application process is straightforward, and funds are typically available within minutes. However, the borrowing limit is relatively low compared to some other apps. Ultimately, the best alternative will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider factors such as borrowing limits, fees, repayment terms, and additional features when evaluating your options. Research different apps and compare their offerings to find the best fit for your financial situation. Choose Dave if you want the cheapest option and don't mind paying small fees for instant cash. Dave's low monthly fee and simple interface make it a user-friendly choice for those seeking occasional cash advances. However, be mindful of the additional fees for instant transfers, which can increase the overall cost of borrowing. Choose Brigit if you want budgeting help and don't mind paying a higher monthly fee. Brigit's comprehensive suite of financial wellness tools, including budgeting, credit building, and identity theft protection, provides added value beyond just cash advances. If you prioritize financial education and long-term financial health, Brigit may be a better fit. Ultimately, the best app for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. Carefully consider your financial situation, usage patterns, and the features that are most important to you. By weighing the pros and cons of each app, you can make an informed decision and choose the one that best aligns with your goals. Cash advance apps like Dave and Brigit can be valuable tools for managing short-term financial needs. However, it's crucial to use these apps responsibly and avoid over-reliance on cash advances. Building healthy financial habits such as budgeting, saving, and avoiding unnecessary expenses is essential for long-term financial well-being. Remember that cash advance apps are not a substitute for a solid financial foundation. While they can provide temporary relief, they should not be used to cover recurring expenses or as a long-term solution for financial difficulties. If you are struggling to make ends meet, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or exploring other options such as debt counseling or government assistance programs. Always read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions before using any cash advance app. Be aware of the fees, repayment terms, and potential risks involved. By using these apps responsibly and prioritizing your financial health, you can avoid falling into a cycle of debt and achieve your financial goals.